Hello bachon, let's see this question. So the question says a body of mass 5 kg starts from the origin with initial velocity u is equals to this. So body अपना motion origin से start कर रहा है with this velocity. Okay. If a constant force minus 6 I cap and minus 5 j cap Newton acts on the body, the time in which the y component of the body of the velocity becomes zero. Okay, so here we will write the key concept that will be used in this question. So the key concepts that will be used here in this question is what? V vector is equals to u vector plus a vector into time t. Okay, so this is the equation of motion we are going to use here. And one more thing we are going to use is Newton's second law of motion, which is force vector is equals to mass into acceleration vector. Okay, so इसी को यूज करते हुए हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे. So let's start the question. So what is the force vector? So we can write that force vector is equals to mass into acceleration vector. And here we can write that force vector is minus 6 I cap and it is minus 5 j cap. This is mass vector, which is mass is what? 5 kg into acceleration vector. So we can write acceleration vector is what? Minus 6 by 5 I cap minus j cap. Okay, तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा acceleration vector. Now we need to write that the v is equals to u plus at. But what they are saying कि time in which the y component of velocity becomes zero. So y component of velocity, final velocity of y component कितना जाएगा? Vy is equals to uy plus ay into t. Okay. So what is vy? So it should become zero. And what is uy? So uy की जो है component of the velocity u in the y direction is 40. Acceleration y direction में कितना है? -1 into time t is t. So t will become what? 40 second from here. Okay. So t की जो value आएगी वो 40 second आएगी. So we can say that t is equal to 40 second is the final answer. Final answer is option number 3. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.